daily current affairs session where we discuss important current affairs from today's newspaper. So guys, we will start with the very first topic. We will be picking up environment. Okay. So today there are some important topics from the environment which can be a possible question in the upcoming prelims examination. So guys, the very first topic today which is very important is Sundarban's aquaculture model has won FAO global recognition. Okay. So Food and Agriculture Organization, which is an agency of United Nations, has recognized a sustainable okay aquaculture model which is practiced in Sundarban mangroves. Guys, you know Sundarban mangroves is the largest mangroves in India. It is the largest mangroves in India, and there a sustainable aquaculture is practiced where along with the mangroves they practiced aquaculture. This is basically called as sustainable aquaculture in mangrove ecosystem, called as SAIME. Okay, sustainable aquaculture in mangrove ecosystem in Sundarbans. Okay, so this has been awarded the global technical recognition by FAO. So this is a very important recognition, guys. This makes Sundarbans as a very important topic for the UPSC prelims examination next year. Guys, you know that Sundarbans are the largest mangroves. So guys, Sundarbans are very important. Okay. So can you name some of the species which is found in Sundarban? Can you name some species which are found in Sundarbans? Okay. So guys, Bengal tiger. Okay, the Royal Bengal tiger. Other than Royal Bengal tiger, can you name some species which are found in the Sundarbans? Who can name? Other than the Royal Bengal tiger, anyone? Someone is saying fishing cat. Okay, fishing cat. Okay, what else? Salt water crocodile. Yes or no, guide? Okay, yes or no? Salt water crocodile. Is it found or not? Salt water crocodile. Very important. Very important. Salt water crocodile. Very important. Sundarbans. Okay, Sundarbans. Very important, guys. Sundarbans. Okay, you know, guys, Sundarban, okay, is recognized as what all? What are the recognition given to Sundarbans? Is it a national park? Yes or no? Is it a biosphere reserve? Yes or no? Is it a world heritage site? Yes or no? Is it a Ramsar site? Yes or no? Okay, so you should know exactly what are the recognitions which are given to Sundarbans. What are the recognitions which are given to Sundarbans? This is very important, guys. Definitely you can expect a question on Sundarbans. Okay, so the mangroves, Sundarbans are the one of the largest mangroves in the world, one of the largest mangroves in India. So guys, you may expect a question on Sundarbans. Okay, can you tell me, guys, FAO has another recognition okay, for agriculture. Can you name what is that recognition called? FAO also recognizes agriculture system in the world, unique agriculture system in the world. What is the name of that? Can anybody tell me, guys? FAO. Have you heard about GIAHS, globally important agriculture system? Have you heard about that? Agriculture heritage system. Globally important agriculture heritage system. Have you heard about it? Is it an FAO initiative? Yes or no, guys? Is it an FAO initiative? Yes or no? Is it an FAO initiative? Yes or no? Can you tell me, guys, which agriculture system in India has been recognized as okay globally important agriculture heritage system by FAO? Can you tell me, guys? Kerala, Kuttanad rice farming, guys. Kuttanad rice farming, Kerala. Very important, guys. I hope you know this. Keral's Kuttanad, guys, below the soil, below the sea level farming, guys. below the sea level rice farming. Okay, so that is also recognized by what? FAO. Recognized by what? FAO, guys. This is very, 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 very important, guys. Very, very important. Rice cultivation. Rice cultivation, guys. Very, very important. Okay. Let us move on to the next topic, guys. Next topic from environment. Okay, guys, there are some reports which are brought out by FAO. Name of these reports I'll just name out. You can keep note of it, guys. Sometimes UPSC will ask you reports. This report is brought out by which organization? So, guys, FAO brings out State of Food Security and Nutrition of the World report, State of World Forest report, State of World Fishery report, State of World Agriculture Commodity report, and FAO Food Price Index and FAO Food Price Index. So, guys, State of World Forest report, State of Food Security, State of Food Security, State of World Fishery, State of Agriculture Commodity, State of Agriculture Commodity, and Food Price Index and Food Price Index. These are the 5 reports. These are the 5 reports which are brought by FAO. Again, I repeat. State of Food Security and Nutrition Security of the World. First report. Second report, guys, State of World Fisheries and Aquaculture. Then State of World Forest. State of Commodities, Agri-Commodities report. And last but not the least, Food Price Index. Food Price Index. So, guys, FAO reports are very, very important. You can expect a question on FAO reports. Guys, let us now move on to the next topic. Guys, another important environment topic today which was in news was basically there is one this IUCN. There is IUCN World Congress going on. IUCN World Congress is going on in Abu Dhabi. In Abu Dhabi, World Conservation Congress in Abu Dhabi. Guys, this is the first World Congress Summit on indigenous people and nature. On indigenous people and nature. So, guys, this World Conservation Congress basically takes place every 4 years. It takes place every 4 years. This is very, very important, guys. Okay, so you should know this World Conservation Congress. This is very, very important. There are some motions which has been accepted at the World Conservation Congress in Abu Dhabi. Motion 108, which is adopted by 98% of the support, calls for global guidelines to regulate the capture and trade of wildlife in the pet industry. Then, guys, motion 87. Motion 87 basically establishes a framework for use of synthetic biology for conservation and ethical treatment of animals. Then, guys, motion 42. Motion 42 has been also accepted for phasing out of fossil fuels. Okay, so, guys, the Abu Dhabi call to action. Abu Dhabi call to action is a key document which has been released by the World Conservation Congress of IUCN at Abu Dhabi. So, you may expect a question on Abu Dhabi call to action. Here IUCN has come out with 20-year vision plan. 20-year vision plan, guys. This IUCN is a very, very important organization for the prelims examination next year. Guys, can you tell me one of the most famous initiative of IUCN? Can you tell me, guys, one of the most famous initiatives of IUCN? Who can tell me, guys? Who can tell me one of the most famous initiative by IUCN? Can you tell me, guys? Red List. Red List is one of the most famous initiative of IUCN, which is basically an assessment of the threatened status of the species. Threatened species of the species. Guys, recently India has decided that it will go and it will make a red list for the nation. Red list for the nation, guys, where all the threatened species they will list out. Okay, the country has decided, India has decided to come out with its own national red list. National red list. This is a very, very important, guys. You can expect a question on red list. You can expect a question on red list. This is a very, very important topic, guys. You know, guys. Next, guys, IUCN has come out with a flagship report. The name of the report is World Heritage Outlook 2025. Guys, World Heritage Outlook 2025 is a flagship report of IUCN. It is a flagship report on IUCN, which basically, okay, assesses the heritage sites of the world. Okay, heritage sites of the world. So guys, recently, okay, this report has come out, and this report has said that there is decline in biodiversity, and one of the main reason is climate change. Then there is invasive species, and then tourism is also one of the reasons. So guys, there are some protected areas which are mentioned. There are some protected areas which have been mentioned by this World Heritage Outlook report. I will list out the name of these protected areas. Okay, you can take the note of it. Okay, you can take the note of it. So guys, they have selected two important protected areas of India, and they have categorized them, as significant concern. These sites are significant concern sites. What are these sites? One is the Manas, and second one is the Sundarbans. So Manas National Park and Sundarban National Park has been categorized by the World Heritage Outlook Report 2025 of IUCN as sites of significant concern. Guys, you should know this, that Manas National Park is a transboundary national park. Manas National Park is at the border of India and Bhutan. Similarly, guys, Sundarbans National Park is also a transboundary national park, because this transboundary national park, if you see, is basically at the border of India and Bangladesh. Okay, so guys, this Manas and this Sundarbans becomes very, very important, because a this heritage report has basically listed out these two sites as sites of concern. So guys, you may expect a question on Manas, and you may also expect a question on Sundarbans. Just now we have discussed. Please look up Manas. Manas is in which state? Can anybody tell me? Manas is in which state? Manas National Park is in which state? Assam. Very good. Assam. Superb. Very good. Guys, this report has also mentioned another protected area from India, which is Kanchenjunga National Park. Guys, Kanchenjunga National Park has been rated as a good site, because of the overall quality of the site. Kanchenjunga of the Sikkim. Guys, Kanchenjunga is very important. Can anybody tell me, guys, what is unique about Kanchenjunga? Can anybody tell me what is unique about Kanchenjunga? Who can tell me the unique feature of Kanchenjunga? Guys, Kanchenjunga is in the state of Sikkim. Can you tell me, guys, what is unique about Kanchenjunga? Guys, it is a mixed heritage site. Remember, guys, okay, Kanchenjunga is a mixed heritage site. Very, very important. Kanchenjunga is a mixed heritage site. This is very, very important. You may get a question on Kanchenjunga National Park. It's a mixed heritage site. Very, very important. Mixed heritage site. Okay. It has also listed some of the other protected areas of the world. Okay. For example, guys, they have listed few sites from China, like the Baidam Jaran Desert Towers of Sand and Lake, and then Chengjiang fossil sites, then Mount Hongshan. Okay, and they have also listed some of the other sites like the Komio National Park of Cote d'Ivoire, where they have removed this from the UNESCO list of heritage sites in danger. Then, guys, Garamba National Park of DRC, then Macquarie Island of Australia, and Pirin National Park of Bulgaria. Okay, so these are some other national parks of the world which are mentioned in the report. So you can just know the name of it. Sometimes UPSC questions letters can go very kind of unpredictable, and you may expect a question on these protected sites also. Again, I repeat, Comoyo National Park, Cote d'Ivoire, Garamba National Park, DRC, Macquarie Island, Australia, and Pirin National Park, Bulgaria. Pirin National Park, Bulgaria, Macquarie Island, Australia, Garamba National Park, DRC, and Comoyo National Park, Cote d'Ivoire. Guys, Cote d'Ivoire is famous for what? Cote d'Ivoire? Anyone? Guys, Cote d'Ivoire is famous for what? UPSC PYQ, Cote d'Ivoire. Okay, next topic, guys. There was one article about biotechnology. Guys, that government of India is aiming for, yes, cocoa. Okay, government of India is aiming for, guys, a bioeconomy. We are aiming for a bioeconomy. And guys, government of India has come out with a bio E3 policy. So guys, you may expect a question on bio E3 policy. Basically, this policy is about biomanufacturing and biofoundry. So these two concepts, what is biomanufacturing? What is biofoundry? This becomes very, very important. Please do read more about these topics. Okay, we can use this biofoundry, we can use this biomanufacturing to develop medicines, to develop various kinds of products from living organisms. So this is a very, very important science of biomanufacturing, and this is a huge economic opportunity for India. Okay, so biomanufacturing and biofoundry has application in the food industry, in the climate change, in agriculture. So it has variety of applications. So you may expect a question on bio E3 policy, biomanufacturing and biofoundry. So under this bio E3 policy, we are building India as a biomanufacturing hub, biofoundry hub. Okay, so you can expect a question on this. Okay, so these were some of the important topics. Okay, moving on to polity, guys. The National Commission for Minorities, there are so many vacancies. Guys, recently some of the civil society activists have pointed out that the National Commission for Minorities has too many vacancies. So can anybody tell me, guys, National Commission on Minorities, it is a statutory side or it is a kind of constitutional body? What is the kind of body, guys? It is a statutory body. It's a legal body. It's a statutory body. It is not a constitutional body. It is a statutory body. And guys, there are 6 minorities. Under the National Minorities Act. Okay, so remember, guys, that Constitution does not define who is a minority. So where has been defined? Which act has defined minorities, guys? There are 6 minorities. Can you name those 6 minorities? Guys, can you name those 6 minorities? Who can name those 6 minorities? Muslims, Christians, Jains, Sikhs, Buddhists, 6 minorities in the Minorities Act 1992. So guys, remember, they can trap you. They will say constitution. They will say, guys, constitution, says who are minorities. Constitution does not say who are minorities. Constitution just says rights of minorities, Article 29, Article 30. Constitution does not define minority. Minorities are defined under the Minorities Act 1992. Remember, guys, UPSC question setters can frame questions. On this. Yes or no? Guys, there can be a question on this or no? This is a pattern, guys. UPSC is asking such kind of questions or not. Constitution defines. Constitution does not define, guys. Constitution does not define. It is a favorite theme of UPSC. Guys, remember this. It is not a constitutional body. It is a statutory body. National Commission on Minority. 7-member body, guys. 7-member body. 1 member for all the minorities. 1 member from all the minorities. 1 member from all the minorities. Guys, is this clear, guys? Are you following this? Are you following this, guys? Guys, are you able to follow this? Guys, there was another topic in news, that personality rights. Guys, many Bollywood actors are approaching the courts for protection of personality rights. Guys, personality rights are not mentioned in our constitution, and personality rights are also not mentioned in any law. Okay. However, guys, personality rights have been derived from right to privacy under Article 21, which is right to life. Okay. So personality rights are derived rights. They are derived rights. From where they have been derived? They have been derived from right to privacy, and right to privacy is part of Article 21, which is right to life, which is right to life. Also, guys, privacy rights gets protection from Copyright Act. From Copyright Act, they gets protection from the Copyrights Act. So remember, guys, they have a backing of the statutory law, which is the copyright law, and they are also derived from Article 21 of the Constitution, which is the kind of this one, Article 21 of the Constitution, which is right to privacy. Right to privacy. Guys, another topic in polity today was, guys, the urban local bodies in India. Okay, urban local bodies in India, they do not generate any resource of their own, because most of the taxes which were with the urban local bodies, such as the octroi tax, such as the entry tax, these tax have been subsumed in the GST. These tax have been subsumed in the GST. So guys, these bodies, they do not have any resource of their own. Okay, and that is why, guys, these bodies are not able to deliver good quality services in India. If you compare Indian cities and if you compare with others global cities, guys, Indian cities are not able to offer good quality services to its citizens. Guys, you know that we have a constitutional amendment, 73rd and 74th amendment. 74th amendment basically constitutionalized urban local bodies, and urban local bodies now are constitutional bodies under the Constitution of India. However, guys, the problem is that the devolution of funds, functions and functionaries to these local bodies are voluntary. They are not mandatory. The state governments, the state legislatures have been given the responsibility to devolve rights. Okay, can anybody tell me which part of the Constitution, which schedule of the Constitution talks about the urban local bodies? Can anybody tell me, guys, in the comment box? Let me see how many of you are able to answer. This is a PYQ question. Which part of the Constitution and which schedule of the Constitution? Guys, remember, guys, 12th schedule. Guys, how many lists are there? In the 12th schedule? Can anybody tell me, guys, how many items are there? Guys? Who can tell me how many items are there in the 12th schedule? Guys, quickly in the comment box, I need answers. How many items are there? Please look into, guys. And there is one more. Okay, district planning committees. District planning committee is a constitutional authority. It's a constitutional authority, guys. Remember this. Please look into this. This is very, very important. 12th schedule, guys. 12th schedule. Okay, very, very important for the UPSC. Urban local bodies is very, very important. 18 items. Guys, with this, guys, I would like to take your leave. Thank you. Bye-bye and take care. I hope the session was useful. Guys, remember, we have discussed one report, very important report. Okay, that heritage outlook report, World Heritage Outlook report, IUCN, very, very important. You may get a question on this. Very high chances. IUCN Conservation Congress, again very high chances. Okay, so please do look into all this. These are very, very important. And Sundarbans. Today, Sundarbans are the highlight topic, guys. Sundarbans. Everyone, please go through the website of Sundarbans. Okay, very, very important. Which are the species found there? Okay, why Sundarbans are important? Okay, Sundarbans are one of the largest mangroves. Okay, so please look into it. It's a very, very important topic. And even the bio E3 policy, or the bioeconomy, or the bio manufacturing, and the bio foundry, these are also very, very important for next year prelims examination. With this, guys, I would like to take your leave. Bye bye, take care, and God bless you guys.